Right. Thokozani Makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Yebo. Umkhulu umoyani insizwa kaNkosi uDlamini wekunene sidlubula dledle saka nobambo. Akubeni kuhle. Dede bomnyama kuvela ukukhanya zonke izinto bese ziyalunga zonke izinto bese ziyakhanya. Akukhanya ngempela akukhanya ngempela Makhehla lamadala kukhanya kuzo zonke izinto enizenzayo kukhanya kuyo yonke into enifisayo kube kuhle nhlangothi zonke wonke emhlaba jikelele. Yebo. Now today I'll be speaking about what kind of conversations do you have with your own ancestors. A lot of people are quite confused. Most people are quite confused on how to create a dialogue with their own ancestors. Most people think that they just pass and they will just have certain dreams. Most people think they will just see visions. Most people think they will just get answered on the spot, which is not the case. Now, we must always understand, we must always know how to articulate conversations with our own ancestors. We must know how to articulate different kinds of conversations. We must know how to articulate and address abantu abadala ngenye indlela ehlukahlukene. Right. So now it appears that in each and every conversation that we have with our ancestors, they end up having to not baphendule, and now the response they get delayed, the response they get denied. Like each and every single thing is just in the dark, and you wonder why. What's that? Why lento leyo iyenzakala? Because of now the energy that you possess, their energy that they possess. Now, it differs in different kinds of people. We have people that will most definitely pasha and then they will get response on the spot. We'll have those people that will pasha and then most definitely it will take days so that they can get their responses. The problem lies with yourself. We tend to forget that at some point your spirit and your energy is demanded. It's demanded in each and every single thing that you do. You must not just go to someone and then you say, because of now, each and every single thing that you do is quite concentrated. You want to pass about your relationship. You want to pass about your work. You want to pass about success. You want to pass about different kinds of things in the realm of whatever existence that we are in right now. But now, which is not the case, we must understand again that our own ancestors, they have the level of thinking. They are thinking like in ngendlela yabo ehlukile. Now we must understand that with the level, the energy that they possess is demanded on the other side, meaning that within our each and every single thing is calculated. Each and every single thing ends while it begins. So now, whatever that you need to articulate or to address your own ancestors, we must first think and listen to the energy that surrounds you when you pasha, when you pray. Because of now, it's a signal on which level on bagupi, like the level of their energy iguphi. Bazwani bafila ini kwenzakalani. We must understand that whatever that they are feeling at a particular moment, it's either they are quite busy, it's either they are quite irritated themselves because of now izinto zahamba ziyashintsha, things definitely evolve on a daily. Now, in whatever things that bezenzakala kubona, zihamba, they get affected, like in each and every single thing we inside. Now you can pray for money and then you get a different response on your dreams. You get a different response, such as you see waters, you see mountains, you see people fighting. They are responding in that manner to tell you that, like to address you, to tell you that this is not the time for that right now. You need to see the main points within your dreams. You need to see main points within your space. You need to see different kinds of energies and elements that are shown to you and use that to your own advantage. Because of now, we think that our own ancestors, they're too ignorant. We think that they're not paying attention. We think that they don't love us because of now they do not respond immediately. We must also think that we must also understand ukuthi in whatever that they are doing, the level of activities that they do, they are not that they did when they were still in the realm of our existence. So now we must understand that things definitely evolve. On their side as well, things definitely evolve. So now, in that case, you need to know how to address. You need to know how to bend your paper. You need to understand how to create a dialogue with them. Creating a dialogue with them, that simply means you're gonna see different kinds of signs. You're gonna see ants. You're gonna see different kinds of elements. You different kinds of creatures, like your spiders and the aura within that room. You're gonna feel it. It's either a cold, it's either a warm, it's either some sort of heaviness within your space while you're busy ukuba nabantu abadala. That's yile ndlela le bakwazi ukuphendula ngakhona. Either way bakwazi ukuphendula ngakhona, and they want you to respond to that energy. The problem lies that in that we get too distracted at some point. So when you get too you get distracted, you get irritated, that makes the whole process useless, because of now you are desperate for what you want, but you do not understand ukuthi bona bafunani. You do not understand ukuthi bona bazwani, because of they demand your energy, you demand their powers. So now you just cannot take and not give back. It's impossible. Your happiness, your peace lies to those grounds, meaning that lies to those grounds la uphahla khona. You understand? So now for you to activate these different kinds of energies, you must understand the level of thinking of amadlozi wakho, the level of energies that they possess, so that you can grow with it. You must know that in each and every single day, your soul, your spirit gets reborn, it's being recharged of some sort. While you rest, they're recharging it. But now with your energy, with your aura, with your irritable situations, that complicates the whole process, and then you're going back to square one. So now to avoid that, you must just be at peace when you go there. You must understand and on how to respond to those particular dreams that you see. Because at some point, you must start apologizing about the days and your sins that you did on the previous days, on that particular day, so that they can understand and listen to you properly. Because of now, at some point, we're going there with anger. Now, they're going to return that anger, they're going to multiply it into 3 different ways, and then you're gonna think that you are cursed. You're gonna think that your ancestors, they turned their back on you, but which is not the case. The case lies within your energy. Now, in each and every dream that we see, there's this fundamental point that you need to pick up. Now, this fundamental point is the key to open other doors. Is the key to open up your spirituality. So now you need to understand that on how to articulate and open these particular doors with just a simple task, your energy. Now, we might think that when we dream about amabai, when you dream about ubuhlalu, when you dream about all that, in our own mentality, we think that we must go buy all those things. at some point they're showing you on how the level of their existence, ukuthi bakuphi, the level of energy, ukuthi bafuna ini. At some point bakubonisa ukuthi kwamele uwenzeni. They showing you through this different kinds of elements. Let's say uzobona ibhayi le crocodile. Now i-crocodile lithanda ukwenzani? Is it violent? Is it, at some point lithanda ukudlala ngamanzi, at some point lithanda ukusifihla ngamanzi. You must understand all those different kind of energies ukuthi mabakubonisa leli bhayi i-crocodile ithanda ukwenzani, mabakubonisa ibhubesi ithanda ukwenzani, mabakubonisa ibhayi lempangela, because of most of abantu abaningi bathanda ukuphupha ibhayi lempangela. It's either you must, yes, buy the buy, and what are you going to do with it? You must understand that as well. You must understand again ukuthi mawuzophupha le bhayi lempangela kwamele uye esigangeni ngoba bathini inkukhu yesiganga. So now you must understand ukuthi kwamele uwenzima mawufika lapho. Impangela ithanda ukwenzani. All those different kinds of activities this animals does, kwamele ukwazi ukuzi-understand ukuthi bafuna ukuthi uwenze. And that's the key to each and everything. Ngoba uzowathenga la mabhayi azoqwala indlu yonke ngampela. Now, in different kinds of dreams comes with keys, and we're not paying attention. The into sifuna is that we want instant answers. Into sifuna, we want instant success. Into sifuna, we want instant connection. For you to connect with your ancestors, connect with yourself first, so that ukwazi ukuthi ngempela izinto zakho zihlangane zibonakala. Because of uzoyishisa impepho kuze uyova umuzi kuze uyovalwa, not getting answers. Understand the energy, understand the key points, understand on how izinto zenzeka nakhona. Now, how to understand that is that whenever you burn impepho yakho, you're gonna see a sign, you're gonna feel an energy. Whenever you light your candles, it's either iyakhala, it's either like iyenza nje imikhuba ethize. Now that's where you need to understand ukuthi okay fine, amadlozi wakho afuna ukuthi uwenzeni, amadlozi wakho, they are coming with this particular direction. So now let me go with this particular direction. So now energy is important. On how you communicate with them, energy is important. Did you know that in each and every partnering session or praying session, you can create your own curses? You can curse yourself by ukuphahla nje, like uzithakathe ngenye indlela xa uzibuza ukuthi hayi khona kanti kwenzakalani, uzithakatha kanjani makwenza kanjalo. You find that ukuthi uyaphahla, say for instance uphahlela imali. The more uphahlela imali kodwa you don't understand this particular energy enzakalayo kwalo uphahla, imali yakho izophela vele. You're gonna see imali vele ilokhu iphela, uzibuza ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani na. Kanti you cursing yourself, but you must understand ukuthi kwakhona izinto kumele ukuthi uzenze so that you can remove this energy, you can remove this aura, and then uzokwazi ukuthi ngempela ukwazi ukuthi uthole le nhlanhla efisayo. So by avoiding ukuzikhesa, ngoba amadlozi bayawazi ukuthi ngempela they get irritated by ukuthi lokhu baphahla ngento eyi-1 njalo bakuzwile, they noted it down. Wait for responses. How do you see that energy? How do you see that through your dreams? How do you see that through like your visions? Then you must understand. If you do not understand that, you must get like a mentor, you must get somebody that will assist you with this kind of energy so that you can unlock those particular things that you want or need. Then you can grow day by day. You can grow day by day by unlocking these different kinds of energy. Because of when they get irritated, as much as you can, abantu siphila nabo phansi kokuthunzela ngabadineka, sibacela they get irritated. Even the amadlozi itself, they have a personality, they have emotions. We must understand their emotions as well. Izinto ziba mnyama because of we do not understand their emotions, we do not understand the level of their thinking, we don't understand the energy that they possess. All we want to do is just go in someone's participate imali. All that we want to do, masifika lapho sifuna ama-relationships, sifuna umsebenzi, sifuna konke lokho, and all that we want is to connect. Before you connect, like understand the energy, understand yourself, understand those grounds first. Then you can cross over and understanding them. Now, when you cross over, then you connect namadlozi wakho. Yonke into yakho bese iyahlangana, yonke into yakho bese iyabumbeka. At some point before you doing anything, kwamele cleanse indawo yakho ihlanzeke ibe mhlophe. That's why the since cutting stores are going to it's because of now you haven't cleansed that space, because of indawo yakho ingcolile, because of now bafuna ukudla. At some point uphahla amadlozi abulawa indlala straight, ingakho into zakho ziba mnyama abakuzo, because of they do not have amandla okuphendula. They don't have amandla to be activated. They need to be fed. We must understand those as well. So now yonke into ke ihamba ngaleyo ndlela leyo. There's different kinds of tools to activate amadlozi wakho. Khona izinduku zoku-activate amadlozi wakho, khona izinduku ezokuhamba ezizokwazi ukuthi zisondeze amadlozi wakho. The only thing that you need to do is to understand and seek for advice and seek for and be open to knowledge. Then you can be like nje ungakwazi ukuthi ubonakale nasabadlozini wakho, ungakwazi ukuthi ube relevant to your own ancestors. So now understand zonke lezi zinto lezi, seek advice, understand all these different kinds of elements, then you will know how to connect. The most important thing is to connect namadlozi wakho. Failing doing that, yonke into oyenzayo uyenzela nje umoya. Everything that you are particularly doing, trying to phahla for nothing, then you doing that in vain, because of now uphahla abantu abangeka, uphahla abantu abangezwa, because of abanamandla. They don't have that strength to answer you. They don't have the strength ukuthi ngempela nje izinto zakho zizwakala. So now stand up, seek advice, into zakho bese ziyalunga, izinto zakho bese ziyakhanya. Phakama umuntu omnyama, phakama wena muntu omhlophe, yonke into yakho bese ziyakhanya bese ziyabonakala. Inkulumo yani kaNkosi. So now everything that you need, don't hesitate to ask advice, do not hesitate to ask questions. Iminyango ivulekile, dedubuka umnyama uvela ukukhanya. Mkhulumo yani utholakala ku 071 28 31 481. Ukhona kuba Instagram, ukhona kuma TikTok. Akukhanye kube kuhle, badimki bawo. Thokozani.